This video is presented to you by GetClicks Technology. In this tutorial, we will show you how do you do some basic checking on your GST result before you send the GST03 reports online and submit it. First of all, go to File, Company Profile. Double check all the information of your company here is listed correctly. And go to the number 8 GST tab. Please check again your GST register number and your tax period is correct. Most importantly, please double check this default MSIC code is correctly placed because this will affect your GST 03 submission. After you have done this, close. Now you go to GL, GST Inquiry and Reports. Choose GST Summary Inquiry. Change the date to the tax period, which is if you are submitting in July, then your tax period will be April 1st until June 30th. Click Inquiry, and you can see that all the listed tax code is appearing here. And if your transaction either sales or purchases, you have actually chosen that particular tax code, you will see an amount here. So for example, this is TX, purchase to make taxable supply standard rated. There is an amount here. This is the total purchases that you have for the tax period, and this is the total input tax that you have. And you can double click this to see your listed bill amounting this amount, and also your input tax here. So this is all your purchases. You can do a quick check whether everything is alright. And if you spot any particular big input tax bill, you may also want to just double click and check the source of the document. Make sure there's no typo error, everything is correct. So if it's correct, then you just close this, right? And the next report that we recommend you to take a look is GST Checking Inquiry. Okay, if there is any GST type missing on any particular of your transaction, you will list it in this report so that you can do some rectification at your site before you submit it. Okay, as you can see here, this one is a missing GST type. So if this is intentionally correct that there is no GST type for this one, or maybe you miss it out, forget to put, then please put it back, and then it will disappear from this report. This report is good to help you do a quick check any GST type missing from your transaction. Okay, after you have done this, go to GL, GST Inquiry and Reports, and please select GST Return Inquiry. This is exactly the same as your GST03 return form amount. As you can see here, total value of saturated supply is your total sales, and total value of output tax is the total output tax that you charge to your customer. Total value of standard rated acquisition is your total purchase value, and your total input tax will be whatever your supplier charged you and you are actually claiming back from the custom. Okay, this is your input tax of the purchases, and your account payable and claimable. If you are actually ending up with paying the custom for GST, then you will see an amount here, GST account amount payable, or if otherwise, if you are claiming back the GST, you will see the amount here. Okay, so if you want to know your listed bill of the output tax, you can put the cursor here, double click, and you will see the list of your total sales invoice being listed here. And you can also do a quick check, is the tax code correctly put and the MSIC code correctly put here. Okay, if in case that you cannot see this GST type column show up in your software, what you can do is you put your cursor on the header of this, which is here. Okay, put your mouse cursor here, right click, and you will see field chooser. Click this field chooser, you will see on your right hand corner this box show up. Okay, before you actually you can actually look for your GST type from this box and pull it out. So let me show you how. Before that, actually my GST type is inside here. Okay, I go and look for it, GST type. Use the mouse, click this and drag it out and place at the column that you want. Okay, after that, you can actually save this, right click again and save layout. Because when you save this layout, the next time you come back to this report, you will not need to drag again. It will be there already. Right? Okay, after you have done this checking and everything is alright, then you can actually exit